know, I just, like, see myself as, like, above everyone else, if you get what I mean. No, it's not a god complex. Stop flattering. Hi. Didn't see you there. It's me again. What the fuck is wrong with me? So, my, video today is gonna be about, showing you my animals. I have 7 in total, so that's, I think 7. I might be wrong there, but we'll see. Go from biggest to smallest, so guess we'll start with me. Ha. Ugh! My least favorite, the horses. There's that one's called Eddie, and that one's called Princess. Hey Princess. I'm not wearing any shoes, so this is very terrifying. First time I've ever actually, like, interacted with Princess, so that was fun. There is Harry. I don't know why he's separated, but he is. He's a big, muscly boy. So yeah.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, chilling with my homies. There you are.
The dogs, which you've already seen. There's Custard, she's a cute little baby. There's Luna, she's a Springer Spaniel. She's a English Pointer mixed with Beagle. Hello, cutie. Hello, cutie. My cat is dumb and it's not in the house right now. It's somewhere, probably snooping around the fields or something. I don't know, but it's not here. And if I seem a bit skittish, that's because I am. I'm right on a pile, like a 15-foot pile of hay. Whoa. To make up for the fact that my cat isn't here, I'm gonna do a dance break. But definitely not least, we got this ungrateful sod. Entire enclosure, right? But he decides to stay in this little thing. Bye, guy. That's goodbye. Signing off for now.